Together we're making a delicious peanut butter sauce that is made with higher protein from a secret ingredient. It's all blended smooth and naturally sweetened with maple syrup. To make this really easy sauce, we're going to start with cottage cheese. And I love using it because it has a very mild flavor, but it adds tons of protein and other nutritional benefits. And once you blend it smooth, you no longer have that curdled texture. So in a food processor or blender or chopper cup with my immersion blender, we're going to start with half a cup of cottage cheese. And you can use any variety that you like, including non-fat or low-fat. I prefer to use the full fat to get the most creaminess. And as our natural sweetener, we're going to add 1/3 cup of maple syrup and 1/4 cup of natural unsweetened peanut butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and a couple pinches of salt. Now, if you're using it as a sauce, you can just mix it together as is, and then it's going to have a thicker consistency. But if you want to use it as a syrup, then you'll want to add a little bit of milk to it to help thin it out. Now I'm just going to put on the lid and then blend it until it's smooth and creamy. And I'm going to be using this on some pancakes so it has the perfect syrupy consistency. I think we need a little quality control test. That is so good. That is so simple yet so delicious. Now, of course, this is a treat, so it will need to be eaten in moderation, but I do love knowing I'm eating something with clean, natural ingredients. And that means that I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.